Hey guys, today I'm going to use this river as an analogy to help me talk to you today about the power of focus. Hey guys, Kevin Schreiber here with Your Pet Business Now. Thank you so much for checking out this video here. I'm down by this huge river on the riverbank. I want to talk to you today about how the power of focus can help you in your pet business and helping it to grow. Nice calm river here. We're in the city of Pittsburgh. We've got 3 rivers that are huge just like this. And well, 2 of them intersect to create one big river. But here's the deal. The river by itself is slow and meandering, and yeah, over a long period of time, it erodes the way it erodes the river bank. You can drive your boat calmly down the river, and there's really no big deal with that. And it's a very lumbering force to get started. Well, the key is, how does this river get started? Well, the water comes off the mountains. We have a ton of mountains around here. And a little bit of water trickles down and it comes off the precipitation and it blends in with another thing of water, and all these little streams come in and finally creates this humongous river. Well, in order for the river to get power and to get it to cut into different ways, we need it to focus. And so I want you to think of taking this river and damming up the power that exists in all of this water. And if you put a dam here and then you put these little, a choke point there, the dam creates a lot of power, so there's great energy. It can be used, it can be outsourced. I want you to do the same thing with your business. So what I mean by that is, if you are like this river, you personally are like this river, you're spread out, you're very slow, very meandering, your energy is scattered in a lot of different places. I would like you to start thinking of, how do I harness my energy and staying focused like a laser beam? To use another analogy just with laser beam, a laser beam is different than a floodlight. A floodlight can light up, kind of a big area, but a laser beam, we take all of that light and we focus it on one area. We can cut a rock, we can cut metal, we can cut anything with that laser beam. You need to take that same attitude and that same mindset and put it on your pet business. Focus. Do those activities that you know you need to do. Learn the stuff that you know you need to do. Find the mentors that you know you need to find, and be laser focused on that. And don't try and say, I'm going to do all these activities, read all these books, find all these mentors, watch all these courses. Just pick one of those to do. This is the power of focus. Because you can do a lot of things, that's great. I want you to focus on one thing. So for the next month, find one activity that you can do and repeat every day for a month. And then find another activity to do the next month. If you can focus on one activity and work on mastering that, and then go to another activity, you will have a tremendous amount of power. So don't spread yourselves too thin, because I know there's a lot of activities, but work on focusing on one area that you can improve in your life, in your business. Because when all this water, gets going towards the end of the river here, and start getting some choke points, and there are some dams that we have along the rivers, it creates energy, it builds cities, power cities, and can be a force. All this quiet water can be a force for everybody. So stay focused, do all those things you need to be doing, and you're going to be a massive river yourself. Thanks as always for watching. If you have any comments, questions, please leave a comment below. Again, this is Kevin Schreiber from Your Pet Business Now. I'll talk to you all very soon. Take care. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video and you want to see some more great content, make sure to hit the like button. Also hit subscribe to the channel. And there's a little bell there as well. Hit that bell. That'll let you know when new videos and new content is released. Also, if you want to get some more and see some more videos, click right here. I have some links to some other YouTube videos, as well as if you are interested in going deeper in your pet business, click below in the description below. I've got a link to a webinar that I'm hosting. Would love to have you join me on that if you are interested in going deeper in improving your pet business. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to y'all soon.